Hi, how's everybody? Again, your friend Carlos Pachuca with Precast Installers. Today I'm going to show you the job that we're doing. It's a natural stone installation. It's a huge residence. Everything is wrapped up with natural stone architectural design. Just look at that. It's beautiful. That right here is a pop out. It's a whole pop out of the house structure. It's wrapped up in cornice, windows and door casing, cladding, panel cladding, belly band. So look for yourself. See how everything is taking shape right now. Everything from the left to the right. Anywhere you see a black spot, it's lap and paper because we're waiting on them to install the opening frames. Stay tuned with us and follow us in all of our social media at PrecastInstallersInc.com. Thank you so much.